Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shawnee Vlogs. So today I would be introducing you guys to my next recipe, which is pumpkin pachdi. So pachdi is, it's a dish which is a combination of grated coconut and curd. Since I've used pumpkin in this dish, that is why it is called pumpkin pachdi. So like any other curd based dish, this is also very easy to make, and it's also very nutritious and very healthy. It especially because we use curd in this, it's good for the stomach. And the speciality of this dish is it uses simple ingredients. That means we don't need any kind of masalas or anything, and it's very easy to cook. So let's get to the show. For pumpkin pachdi, the ingredients I'll be using are pumpkin half kilo cut into cubes, curry leaves, 1/3 grated coconut, 200 milliliter curd, green chilies, 2 finely chopped. This is for tadka. I'll be using dry red chilies, curry leaves. Then the dry masala would be salt, turmeric powder, mustard again for tadka, and coconut oil. I'm going to add the coconut oil first. Wait for it to get hot. Once the oil is hot, I'll be adding the pumpkin. Along with the pumpkin, I'll be adding the green chilies as well. Now we'll cook this together. Now we'll let it cook for 5 minutes in low flame. I'll put the lid on. It's been 15 minutes now. I'll be checking the pumpkin. The pumpkin has got cooked. I had added some water as well. So make sure that you can easily mash it. Now I'll be adding the grated coconut. Curry leaves, turmeric powder, salt. I'll mix this well. Since the water is now dried up, I'll be adding some more hot water and I'll be letting it to cook for 5 minutes. I'll be keeping the lid now again. I had removed the lid and I cooked the pumpkin. To make sure that the water dried up, you need to get this consistency. And now once you get this, turn off the stove and add the curd. Mix this well. Now I'll be doing the tadka. I'm going to add the coconut oil. We'll wait for the oil to get hot. Now once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts sputtering, I'll be adding the dry red chili and curry leaves. Now I'm going to pour this over the pumpkin pachdi. Pumpkin pachdi is now ready to be served. So, how was the recipe, guys? Did you like it? If you did like, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And next to subscribe button, there's a small bell icon. Please do click on that so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video. So this particular video, I'll be putting it under my playlist, Veg Recipes. This particular video was about the traditional Kerala dish. So if you like this video and if you're interested in seeing my other videos related to Kerala vegetarian dishes, so I've created a playlist in my channel called Veg Recipes. Below that you'll be able to find the other videos. I'll be sharing the link as well in my description. So please do check it out. So I'll be seeing you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, bye guys.